have been using Champion Plumbing and Granger for the past 10 years on many of our properties. And very seldom do you encounter someone who is honest, who is ethical, who is extremely professional in what he does.
So far, they fixed everything, and we were satisfied, and I think they did a very good job.
Thank you.
I cannot say enough good things about Champion Plumbing.
Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you.
Work to happen in one day, and we're already done and packing up, and highly recommend it.
Give us a call.
Did a very professional job here at my home in Northridge.
Offered us great service. He did an excellent job in excellent time.
I'd recommend them to anyone.
Excellent. Thank you, Teddy.
I really appreciate the professionalism of your service